Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? My name is Rebecca Girlis. However, I do prefer to be called Daisy Love. I am your instructor, and for today, we are going to be working on the workshops Building Self-esteem. Yourself. How do you think about yourself? How do you value yourself? Are you seeing yourself in the greatness that it is? Are you seeing yourself in the way or in the matters that God has created you? Or are you seeing yourself very small? Are you looking at yourself and all you can think about is negative thoughts? All you can think about is things that are not going well with yourself. This is how we are going to measure if you have great esteem, if you feel that you are confident and comfortable and you are seeing yourself in the greatness that you are, or if you really are struggling with that, if you are having a lot of negative thoughts, if you are thinking about yourself and all you could see it, all you can think about are negative thoughts, right? Creating scenarios in your head? Are you telling yourself stories that are not even true? Because when we are creating scenarios in our head, we are literally creating things that may not even be true. So you have to learn how to identify where are those negative thoughts, where are those negative, thing coming from, and write it down. Now, as you identify that, if you feel like you're thinking about something that someone has said to you, don't pay attention, okay? Instead of focusing, you have to remember that a lot of time people treat us the way that they treat themselves. Let's repeat this. We have to remind ourselves that a lot of times people treat others in the manners in which they see themselves. So if someone has said something to you that has offended you, the first thing you have to learn how to release whatever that the person has said to you, and you have to remember, and you also have to understand that that person is literally could be projecting.